Most people think Codex CLI only works with OpenAI. It's actually an OpenAI compatible client, pointed at any provider, GLM, Claude, via OpenRouter, even a local model. Here's how to set it up in one config file. A model provider is just three things: a base URL where the request goes, a wire API chat or responses format, and an auth key, usually an environment variable. Why switch? Cost, privacy, running fully local, or a model OpenAI doesn't sell. Everything lives in one file. Codex, config.toml. Pick your provider, then define it under model providers. Is less than name is greater than. For GLM, base URL is z.ai's, coding endpoint, wire, API is chat. env key tells Codex which environment variable holds your API key. Export the key, run Codex, you're now using GLM, not OpenAI. Switching providers is just changing one line. Set model, provider to whatever you defined: GLM, OpenRouter, Ollama. OpenRouter gives you Claude, Gemini, Llama through one endpoint. Ollama runs models fully on your machine, no API key, no bill, same Codex. Different brain, that's it, one config file, any model. The full config.toml snippet is pinned in the comments. Copy it, swap in your provider, run Codex. Subscribe to DevKingOf for more AI dev workflows.